Hi, my name is Whitney Smith. I work at Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and today I'm showing you how to do a living flower arrangement pot-up perfect for Mother's Day. A few materials that you'll need for this project are containers, flowers, keeper stoppers, potting soil, Sure Start, and time. In order to create a healthy container, you want to make sure you're keeping like plants with like plants. So here I've created a shade container with Nemesia, Freesia, and Dahlias, and they all have the same watering needs and the same light requirements. Also, they smell beautiful. If you're low on space, you can use just annuals in a small container. These both enjoy sun and are easy to put on your windowsill. And now I'm going to show you how to create a pot up yourself. Here I'll be creating a sun container. I'll be using dianthus, Gerbera daisies, and artemisia. I really like to use artemisia because of the leaf structure. You can also clip this, put it in a vase, and it gives a lot of really nice structure. Right. First, I start with the stopper keepers. This prevents soil from falling out of my container. Second step is potting soil. Third step is plants. Make sure your plants are really well watered before you plant to keep them from being stressed out. Start with your tallest plant in the back. Personally, I don't measure Sure Start, but there are measurements on the back. I just sprinkle around the root ball, making sure that my Sure Start is touching all the roots. That way the mycorrhizal fungi can do its job. I want to make sure I get soil all around, covering all the plants, and I lightly press down to make sure that everything is secure in place. And that's how you pot up a container that would be perfect for a flower arrangement. With that, I also chose plants that have height to them, so when I cut the flowers, I can put them in a vase. This is not a traditional thriller, filler, spiller situation that would be for a normal pot-up that we suggest. These are perfect gifts or fun for yourself. If you don't know where to start and need some help, come on in to Green Acres Nursery and Supply. We can show you where to go and we'll give you some great ideas.